In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture on LinkedIn Business. Changing your profile picture can help refresh your business's image and ensure that your LinkedIn presence is up to date. So let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First and foremost, make your way to linkedin.com. Once you're there, sign into your account using your credentials. If you encountered any difficulty signing in, make sure you've entered your email and password correctly, or try resetting your password if necessary. After you're logged in, look towards the left side of your LinkedIn homepage. Here, you'll find a list of various options and pages associated with your account. Click on the business page that you want to update. It's important to ensure you're on your business page to access the specific settings related to it. Once you're on your business page, you'll need to locate the option to edit page. This can usually be found at the top of the screen. Go ahead and click on edit page. This will take you into the administrative settings where you can make changes to how your page appears to the public. Now, focus on the logo or profile picture section of your page. You'll notice a small pencil icon over your current profile icon. This pencil icon is what you'll click next to start the process of changing the profile picture. Clicking this icon will prompt you to select a new image for your page. At this point, a file selection window will open, allowing you to choose the new image that you want to set as your profile picture or logo. Navigate through your files and select the picture that best represents your business. Remember, the image should be appropriate for a professional platform like LinkedIn. A clear, high-quality image is always recommended. After selecting an image, click Open to upload it. The new picture will be previewed in the profile picture section, giving you a chance to see how it looks and make sure it's the right fit. If you're satisfied with the change, the final step is to click Save. This will confirm your new profile picture and update it on LinkedIn. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your profile picture on LinkedIn Business. Be sure to take a moment to review your entire business page to ensure your updated profile picture aligns with the rest of your page's content and overall branding. Regularly refreshing your business's LinkedIn profile is a great way to keep your professional image current and engaging for visitors. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Have a great day and happy networking on LinkedIn.